Once again.
Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Now guys, we're gonna do a road trip and we're going to where, my husband? Ocherios. We're going to beaches, Ocherios, for a few days, and we're gonna take the toll, and I'll make a little quick video for you guys and I'll show you the roads, okay? Alright, stay blessed and pray for us and hope we reach safe and put God first. Alright? Right guys, you like my nails? My nails? They're gonna love my nails? They were done by Tasha and she's from Linston and she's an awesome nail tech or nail artist. So guys, how are you doing today? I hope everybody is fine and God has richly blessed our lives so far. So guys, peace out and bless. Alright, and I'll see you soon. Say hi. Say hi, Sonny.
Hi.
Alright guys, see you later. What's it called? Oh, Edwards, yeah. So guys, we're here, we're at Sanders Beaches, and say hi Atina. Say hi Sai.
Hi.
And guys, we just reached. Cheers. I'm gonna check in and settle down and then I'll come back later, okay? See you later guys. And so guys, we're here and we're staying in 1121 So let's go check it out and see. Oops, there my suitcase are. And when you enter, this is the bathroom. You have extra towels, have a mirror with lights. Ooh, there I am. It's a little bit dark. And you have another mirror for your makeup as well. You have some soap, some lotion, body wash, conditioner, hand sanitizer and spray. And in the bathroom area, I think it's beautiful. And there you have the toilet, and there's a beautiful picture over it. And this is the bedroom. It's beautiful. We have TV. We can put clothes. You have an ice pitcher there, and you have coffee and cream and tea kettle. And you have a microwave. And here you have a fridge full of stuff, pop and juices. And these are the bed, 2 of them. And you have a pull-out sofa bed right here. And it's beautiful inside, guys. And this is outside, and you share it with someone. Beautiful. Alright guys, I'll catch you later. And guys, we're here, and these are like the activities they have, and they do allow kids, so it's really nice. What is it, Sonny? Sesame Street from Sunday to Saturday, and lots of stuff. So guys, this is Mr. Lloyd. You sell these stuff? So guys, I met up with one of my neighbor from my country. What's your name? Blythe. Mr. Lloyd. Yes. You know Miss Sylvie? Yes. One of Miss Clemmie's daughter. Yeah. I'm her daughter, yeah? So respect. Yes. Give you a hug. Oh, thank you. So you sell these here?
Yes.
Oh. Yes. Yeah. Oh, like down out of bottom road out where this one? Oh.
Where you go down, let's say if you are going.
So where you take bus come out here? Oh.
If you know you're coming to see what you have,
Yes. Yes. Oh. So how you sell them? So how you sell the bags? Oh, you make these too? Or you buy these? But I know you make basket, right? Ah, they are nice. Oh. These are nice stuff you make here, guys. I'm living in Canada now, but I came with my husband to for a few days. Yes. Cambridge.
Oh, yes.
Have you been there?
You never remember Mr. Hart.
I heard.
The man who used to be out of my son.
No, I don't remember him.
Are you daughter?
Yeah, she's my daughter. Say hi. Say hi.
Come on, Joe. Come on, Joe. Yeah.
So this is Mr. Lloyd from America. Pick up yourself. And nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Hi, Sunny.
Hey. Good.
Shorty and really pretty.
Yeah, you like these?
Mm.
Want to get
Nice.
one of these?
No, I'm just looking now.
Where you from? Where you from?
St. James.
Jamaican, you take Jamaican money for man, you have a problem with that.
Yeah.
If you want,
Guys, look at these beautiful ones. Some beautiful craft work. And the birds, the parrot them. Yes. Oh, I like that one. That one is nice. Red stripe, Rastaman. This is the theater area. It says Breezes. And this is the pool area. And guys, later or tomorrow I'll go down there at the beach. Can you see it, guys? It's beautiful.